Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by granting camera permission and opening your QR reader or camera app. Once done, hold your device steady and move it so the code fills roughly half the frame. This helps autofocus lock quickly. Make sure ambient light is sufficient and remove glare. If you use a dedicated app, select QR mode now. These steps get you scanning immediately and reduce delays, so you can move to scanning and interacting with the content without interruption. Once the reader detects the code, you'll see a highlight or preview. This confirms valid capture. If detection stalls, tap the scan button or gently adjust distance. After capture, examine the content preview carefully. Verify the URL domain, previewed contact fields, or payment amount to avoid phishing. If a link appears, press the open or copy action only when confident. These verification steps protect you and explain why we pause to inspect, instead of blindly following the code. You finish by selecting the appropriate action, open the link, save the contact, or approve a payment, then confirm any prompts. If the scanner fails, change angle, increase distance, or disable a screen protector that causes reflection. These quick fixes often resolve detection problems. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart your device or clear the camera app cache when scanning repeatedly fails, because software hiccups commonly block camera access or autofocus, and a restart restores normal scanning behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.